A cool new feature if you want to create AI generated coloring books using Nurie Creator is a cool new feature where we can prompt what's called the prompt duplicator. We just put in one prompt, and let's say our entire coloring book niche is devoted to this one niche subject, teddy bear. Okay, and then I set the art style. We got steampunk now as well, but let's put it kawaii. Line thickness thick, 8.5 by 11, your standard mid-content book size. And here is where the magic happens. Duplicate prompt X amount of times. I want to go to, let's go to 40. And then I'm going to click Q task. So that's going to set everything in motion. And now I can turn this off, and I'll come back to you once the prompts are ready for me. Okay, so once again, all I had to do is put in one little niche subject, teddy bear, and I put it at 40 times. I put in the art style, the image size. I also added background assist and line thickness, and I'm off to the races. Just got an email saying that my task is complete. I go to Nurie Creator and I got my teddy bears. Okay, so again, this is perfect for those one niche subject coloring books, right? So if you have just gnomes, if you have just ninjas, if you have just teddy bears, for example, you just pick your art style. You put in one of the, you just put in your one niche subject, and you ask the multiplier to do its thing, and voila, you have all of these done for you teddy bears in different poses and shapes. Perfect for, again, those one niche subject coloring books. Okay, have a great day.